See us coming through the crowd. Don't be scared, we'll take it now. We're addicted to the kills. Get our kicks and get our thrills. Feel the fear, we're haunting you. Nerve Boys and LBG crew. One thing that we know is true. BG hype is what we do.
I said it, we own B-O-double-S, yes, please put us to the test. Got a PvP on, all PvP, everything, epic chest, epic reps, all PvP, everything. And I kill a lethal, ride with the people. You get more honor if you team really real enough. This is our BG, don't you fucking see? But for now, let me get back to the space. When I go to the fact, you know I captured that. I went to stables, y'all lost, it's the 5 cap. Yeah, you know we pwn that, we won, you none. Here we go, back to owning views, now we queued up.
Lost in axes and a haze, all the spellcast fiery haze. We gon' leave you in a daze, while we're stuck in LHKs. Victory's a certain thing, every battleground we win. One thing that we know is true, BG hype is what we do.
Yeah, I'm back from verse 2, put you in a hearse noob, send you to the graveyard, screaming he hits too hard. He comes at a step and I can't move. He blinds me and slaps trap, well that's kinda rude. Vanish like what the fuck, mutilate like a truck. Stun you, now you stuck, got 5 combo points. Got my poison stat, cut that healing in half. And venom cut that health in half. No one can own us, see, you can't touch us. We the bosses in the BG, we unstoppable. Slash AFK, I saw you type. You can't handle our BG hype.
Lost in axes and a haze, all the spellcast fiery haze. We gon' leave you in a daze, while we're stuck in LHKs. Victory's a certain thing, every battleground we win. One thing that we know is true, BG hype is what we do.
It's crazy how you can go for being a raider to PvP lock with 2K rating, stacking up points like Bob the Builder. Next time in arenas, please no whispers. I can't give y'all what y'all asking for, but I'll show y'all skill you'll never afford. Went to grass soon, give me the loot, dude. That's my raffle. How you think I owned you? But I know if I keep BG, them haters' tempers gonna start boiling. Allies can't hate me, I don't care long as Charm sing. Ain't no cause gonna help you when you're dying. We keep going as long as we get heals. And on top, this warlock, and I don't stop. This is co-op, and we DPS until your health drop. Tell them we ain't worried about the help you do bring. Either way, y'all team still failing. Charm me, baby, you need to try my team. Have you ever had a team with my rating? Who's that log? Baby, it's Ace. Is he geared out? He is now. My DPS is no joke, I be in the mill. It's so ill, don't feel like dying, huh? Too bad I'm real.
BG hype is what we do.